Good Saturday morning, everybody. We've already been up, seen, oh man, come on. Do this side, there we go. Seen grandparents. We took my parents and my mom's, mom and dad's, and my other grandma came too and ate breakfast. And then Brittany went out to James Ranch where we're having this family day. Setting up, I'm about to run to go get some lunch real quick, and then come back and get Xander and take him out there to that family thing. Brittany's stomach was hurting her last night, bothering her, so hopefully she starts feeling better and her stomach's not bothering her as much the rest of the day. So, yay, reunion. We just got done with the family part. Brittany stayed out there to help set up and kind of get ready for tonight. I'm taking Xander back home so we can take a nap. Man, let's try it on this side, do a little better sun. And then I will head down to the farm, let Xander ride around with Dad on the combine for a little bit. I will take the drone out and play with it a little bit, and then so the next thing you'll probably see is a field from a drone. So we just got back from the farm, riding the combine and taking some drone shots. Now I'm about to get ready and go out to this rest of the reunion thing out at James Ranch, wherever it is. Hopefully it'll be fun, and then we're gonna watch the Hog game. So hopefully the Razorbacks beat A&M and it's a good night. So we will see you tomorrow, Sunday. Be another travel one. So we'll see you later. Love you. Rock on. So I think what we'll do is what we did last night with Backs and Blues, and instead of having this big camera carried around everybody's face, we'll have